Hi, and welcome to Newsmaking Headlines on August 30th. A motorcycle racer who used city roads as a racetrack paid the highest price. He was killed, but not because of a road accident. Thairat shows a picture of 29-year-old Ponpinit Naksawat, who was shot dead by a Bangkok motorist annoyed at Ponpinit and other motorcyclists racing on the Baromrachonani Expressway, where they are actually banned. A taxi driver who witnessed the incident said he saw the car driver honking his horn for the rash motorcyclist to get out of the way, but the gang continued to weave in and out of the traffic, even blocking vehicles from moving smoothly. The fuming car driver then accelerated on the left lane, opened his window, and fired at the gang. Ponpinit, a rape convict who was released from jail just 3 months ago, was killed. Wonder if his death will serve as a lesson to other racers who break laws and put themselves as well as other motorists in danger. Many housing estates that have fallen victim to no good robbers and have no hope of police bringing the thieves to book can take the cue from villagers in Ayutthaya. A Thairat picture shows them pointing to a billboard with a sarcastic message aimed at police for failing to arrest any burglars. The message reads, "Dear burglars, we have nothing left for you to steal, and our neighbors too have nothing left because we have all been repeatedly burglarized." I guess you have come across a sleeping security guard sometime or the other. Well, sleeping on the job means they can end up being killed. A Thairat picture features the photo of a serial killer being arrested, but in this case, his victims were typically security guards sleeping on duty and thankfully not women or children. A caption reads, Chok Iem Suwan is arrested for robbery in Chok Chai Si, Kaset Navamin, Nuan Chan. Police believe he imitated the crime by another serial killer who preyed on sleeping security guards. Jokes would ride a bicycle in search of his prey, beat them on the head with a big stick before running away with their money and mobile phones. He confessed to committing the crime 13 times, killing 2 guards and injuring 11. He said sleeping security guards were easy prey because they were defenseless. Meanwhile, Thai Post Exide front page headline says, Conserving Andaman Tribes' Way of Life, Culture Minister Nipit Intara Sombat is making the Andaman coastal area a special cultural zone to help see tribes whose rights are being violated by capitalists seeking to encroach and seize their land. The report says it's tribes like the Morgan that are under threat. In some cases, investors fence off the land, blocking them from going into their cemetery, which investors want to turn into resorts. They even intimidate the tribes by filing guns and releasing dogs. Yes, it's a wonder no one has got hurt or been killed. Nipit says some state agencies are failing to cooperate with his plan, so he's going to inspect the scene and report straight to the cabinet about the problems. Let's now take a look at the political scenes, shall we? Thai Post doesn't mince any words with its main headlines, which say Bangkok residents teach mob a lesson. Democrat Party sweeps Bangkok City and District Council elections. Pheu Thai are decorative plants. New politics is dead. Thairat states Election Commission claims Bangkok people sick, ignoring election. Pujatgan says shock as voters sleep over voting rights. Bangkok sick of elections. Support Jamlong to return as Bangkok governor. New Politics Party says no money to use for election campaigns. We wrap up our program with a series of pictures showing what officials have to do in order to transport 40-year-old Amnoi Phonthong Prapai, who weighs a massive 274 kg, to the Central Hospital for severe obesity treatment. First, a wall is broken to pave a way out of her house. A wheel pallet that can carry a weight of 1 ton is used to move her to a forklift used for carrying goods. Since being hospitalized, she has lost 4 kilograms. We wish her success in losing weight. Here's a glimpse of today's Nation front page. Have a pleasant day. Bye.